In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix merge errors in Excel. Merge errors can happen when cells that should stay separate are combined, or when Excel cannot apply formatting the way you expect. The good news is that you can quickly clear the merging, so your worksheet returns to a clean, consistent layout. To start, we will turn off all merges across the entire sheet. First, highlight the entire worksheet by pressing Ctrl+A. This is a standard shortcut in Excel, and it selects the active sheet so you can apply changes everywhere at once. When you press Ctrl+A, take a moment to look at the grid. You should see all cells selected, usually indicated by a thicker outline or the whole worksheet area being highlighted. If your workbook behaves differently, you might already be inside a table or within a specific selection. In that case, pressing Ctrl+A again while the selection is still active will help you reach the full sheet selection. The key point is that you want every cell selected, because merge settings can exist in many places, and you want to address them all in one pass. Next, click the Home tab on the top ribbon. This is where most formatting tools live, including alignment and cell layout controls. Once you click Home, glance across the ribbon and find the group of buttons related to alignment. You may see options for things like alignment, text wrapping, and cell formatting. This step matters because the merge control is located under the alignment features, and using the Home tab keeps everything in the right place for quick changes. After that, click the Merge and Center toggle button to immediately turn off all merges. On many Excel versions, this control is labeled Merge and Center, and it is often part of a drop-down menu or a toggle that changes the merge state. The moment you choose this option, Excel will remove the merged cell formatting and restore individual cells so they can behave normally again. It is important to focus on what changes on screen. You should notice that previously merged sections become separate cells, and the boundaries between cells become visible as distinct grid areas. If your worksheet had merged headers or merged blocks for labels, they will now appear unmerged and will align like standard cell entries. If anything looks slightly different, that is normal. Merged cells can affect how text appears and how alignment is displayed. When you unmerge, the text may shift because each cell has its own width and formatting rules. Right after turning off merges, take a brief moment to scan your worksheet. Look for sections that used to be combined and confirm that each cell is now separate. Also check that the data is still readable and that there is no unexpected overlap. This scan helps you confirm that the merge formatting is fully removed and the worksheet is ready for further edits. It covers everything you need to know. And that is all there is to it.